Hey everyone, welcome back to Camera Lab. Today, we're checking out the top 11 best DSLR camera for YouTube, perfect for vloggers, content creators, or anyone starting a YouTube channel. These cameras provide sharp video quality, easy-to-use controls, and versatile features to make your videos look professional. Whether you're filming tutorials, lifestyle vlogs, or travel content, these DSLRs deliver the quality and performance you need. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Canon T7 Dual Lens Kit. The Canon T7 Dual Lens Kit is a fantastic choice for YouTube creators seeking versatility and reliable video quality. Featuring a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, it delivers crisp, detailed, full HD video, perfect for vlogs, tutorials, and lifestyle content. The kit includes an 18-55mm lens for standard shooting and a 75-300mm telephoto lens for zoom shots, offering flexibility for multiple filming styles. Its Digic 4 Plus image processor ensures smooth performance, fast autofocus, and accurate colors. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC make sharing footage to smartphones and social media seamless. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's comfortable for handheld shooting or tripod setups. Its beginner-friendly interface helps new creators learn DSLR filming quickly, making it a top choice for aspiring YouTubers looking to start strong. Canon Rebel T7 Wi-Fi DSLR. The Canon Rebel T7 Wi-Fi DSLR is perfect for creators who want simplicity, connectivity, and great video quality. Its 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor captures sharp, full HD video with vibrant colors, making your YouTube content look professional. The built-in Wi-Fi and NFC allow instant transfer of videos and photos to smartphones or social platforms. With a 9-point autofocus system, your footage stays crisp even during movement or handheld shooting. Lightweight and compact, it's ideal for vlogging, travel content, or tutorial videos. Compatible with multiple Canon lenses, this camera grows with your creative needs. User-friendly controls and intuitive menus make it approachable for beginners, ensuring smooth and confident video production for YouTube content creators. Nikon D850 DSLR Bundle. The Nikon D850 DSLR bundle is a powerhouse for YouTube creators looking for professional video capabilities. Featuring a 45.7 megapixel full-frame sensor and XP5 processor, it delivers incredibly sharp, detailed footage and stunning low-light performance. The 153-point autofocus system ensures precise focus, perfect for fast-moving subjects or dynamic shots. It supports 4K UHD video recording, making it ideal for vlogs, tutorials, or cinematic content. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make sharing and transferring files effortless. This bundle typically includes versatile lenses suitable for wide-angle, telephoto, and creative shots. Ergonomically designed, it's comfortable for handheld filming or tripod setups. The D850 offers pro-level performance and flexibility, ideal for serious YouTubers wanting long-term reliability and high-quality video production. Canon T100 DSLR Bundle. The Canon T100 DSLR bundle is an excellent beginner-friendly option for YouTube creators on a budget. With an 18-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic 4 Plus processor, it captures sharp images and full HD video effortlessly. The camera's 9-point autofocus system ensures clear, focused shots, perfect for vlogging, tutorials, or lifestyle content. Built-in Wi-Fi makes transferring videos to smartphones or social media fast and simple. Lightweight and compact, it's comfortable for handheld filming or tripod setups. The bundle typically includes an 18-55mm lens, offering versatility for wide-angle and close-up shots. Its intuitive interface and guide mode help new creators learn DSL basics quickly. The Canon T100 bundle balances affordability, ease of use, and reliable video performance for starting YouTube channels. Canon EOS 90D DSLR Kit. The Canon EOS 90D DSLR Kit is ideal for YouTubers seeking high-resolution video and advanced features. With a 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor and dual-pixel autofocus, it captures sharp, vibrant Full HD and 4K UHD footage. Continuous shooting at 10 FPS allows creators to capture fast-moving subjects with ease. Its vari-angle touchscreen is perfect for vlogging, tutorials, and creative angles. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth ensure quick transfer of files to smartphones or social media. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, the 90D kit is comfortable for handheld filming or tripod setups. Bundled with versatile lenses, it allows wide-angle, close-up, and telephoto shots. This DSLR combines professional-grade features with beginner-friendly usability, making it a great investment for growing YouTube channels. Canon Rebel XTI DSLR Kit. The Canon Rebel XTI DSLR Kit is a reliable choice for beginner YouTubers seeking quality video on a budget. Its 10.1 megapixel APS-C sensor and Digic 3 processor produce sharp Full HD footage and vivid images. The 9-point autofocus system keeps shots in focus even during handheld filming or moving subjects. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's comfortable for vlogging, tutorials, or travel content. The kit typically includes an 18 to 55mm lens, suitable for wide-angle shots, portraits, and general YouTube content. Its beginner-friendly interface and guided menus simplify learning DSLR video recording. With reliable performance, versatility, and ease of use, the Canon Rebel XTI kit is perfect for creators looking to start producing professional-looking YouTube videos without complexity.
Nikon D60 DSLR Camera Kit. The Nikon D60 DSLR Camera Kit is a beginner-friendly option that balances simplicity and quality for YouTube creators. Featuring a 10.2 megapixel APS-C sensor and XP processor, it captures crisp, Full HD footage and vibrant colors. Its 3-point autofocus system keeps subjects in focus for smooth handheld vlogging. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for travel, tutorial videos, or lifestyle content. The kit often includes an 18-55mm lens, offering flexibility for wide-angle and close-up shots. Its intuitive interface allows new creators to learn DSLR basics quickly, ensuring smooth video production. The Nikon D60 Camera Kit delivers reliable performance, ease of use, and excellent value, making it a solid starting point for aspiring YouTubers. Nikon D7500 Advanced DSLR. The Nikon D7500 Advanced DSLR is ideal for content creators who want high-quality video and future-proof features. With a 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor and XP5 processor, it delivers sharp, detailed Full HD and 4K UHD footage. Its 51-point autofocus system allows precise focus even during dynamic scenes or moving subjects. Continuous shooting at 8 frames per second captures action smoothly, perfect for energetic vlogs or tutorials. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make sharing content to devices or social media seamless. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's comfortable for handheld filming or tripod use. Compatible with a wide range of lenses, the T7500 Advanced DSLR provides versatility and professional-level performance for beginner and intermediate YouTubers alike.
Nikon D7200 DSLR Camera. The Nikon D7200 DSLR camera is perfect for YouTube creators looking for dependable performance and sharp video quality. Its 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor and XP4 processor deliver vibrant, detailed Full HD footage. The 51-point autofocus system ensures precise focus, even for handheld or fast-moving shots. Built-in Wi-Fi allows easy file transfer to devices and social platforms. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's ideal for vlogging, travel, and tutorials. Bundled with an 18 to 140mm lens, it offers flexibility for wide-angle, telephoto, and creative framing. Beginner-friendly controls and menus make it simple to start filming. The Nikon D7200 balances image quality, performance, and ease of use, making it a strong choice for growing YouTube channels.
Canon 4000D DSLR Camera. The Canon 4000D DSLR camera is a fantastic choice for beginners seeking an affordable and reliable DSLR. Featuring an 18MP APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic 4 Plus image processor, it captures crisp, detailed images and smooth Full HD video. The 9-point autofocus system keeps your subject sharp, whether you're shooting stills, tutorials, or vlogs. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it's comfortable for handheld shooting and extended use. The included 18 to 55mm lens provides versatility for wide-angle, portrait, and everyday photography. Built-in Wi-Fi enables fast sharing to smartphones and social media. Intuitive menus and controls make learning DSLR basics simple. Combining affordability, usability, and dependable performance, the Canon 4000D DSLR camera is perfect for new content creators looking to start producing professional-looking videos and photos without overspending.
Nikon D7200 VR DSLR Kit. The Nikon D7200 VR DSLR Kit is perfect for YouTube creators who need stable, high-quality footage. Its 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor and XP4 processor deliver detailed, vibrant Full HD video. The 51-point autofocus system ensures precise focus, while the included vibration reduction (VR) lens minimizes blur during handheld filming. Built-in Wi-Fi allows fast transfer of footage to devices or social media. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, the camera is comfortable for vlogging, tutorials, or travel content. Compatible with a wide range of lenses, it offers flexibility for wide-angle, close-up, and telephoto shots. The Nikon D7200 VR DSLR Kit combines reliability, ease of use, and video quality, making it an excellent choice for beginner YouTubers.
That wraps up our top 11 best DSLR camera for YouTube. Each of these cameras offers excellent video quality, user-friendly controls, and versatile features for creating professional-looking content. Whether you're starting a vlog, filming tutorials, or producing lifestyle videos, there's a DSLR here to match your style and budget. I hope this guide helps you pick the perfect camera to kickstart your YouTube journey and elevate your content. Don't forget to check the links in the description for prices and additional details. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe to Camera Lab, and ring the notification bell for more top product reviews.